you looking for better control of the heating, cooling, ventilation, and lighting in your building? To decrease energy costs while maintaining optimal occupant comfort, you need a building automation system, or BAS for short. But what kind of system is best? There are a number of proprietary systems, but the only communications protocol specifically intended for building automation systems and designed for open system interoperability is BACnet. BACnet stands for Building Automation and Control Networks. Open system interoperability means that products from different manufacturers can communicate with each other, work together, and more easily add new upgrades to older systems. The concept of future-proofed interoperability blends well with the long-term perspective and integrated project design of LEED and other green approaches. When opting for a BACnet system, what requirements do you specifically look for in the products and manufacturer? What checklist should you check? Let's look at 6 questions to ask. Flexible configuration and deployment. Do products have built-in application sequences for easy configuration and deployment? Do they support customization for unique needs? For many applications, KMC Controls offers models of controllers with built-in standard application sequences and optimized outputs, which support rapid deployment of controllers on a job. Since many sites require customization to their distinct needs, however, most KMC BACnet controllers are also fully field programmable to allow maximum flexibility. Talking the talk. The BACnet standard defines required objects and properties. It also provides manufacturers the freedom to create their own proprietary objects or properties of objects. Such moves, however, can block true interoperability. When shopping for a system, does the manufacturer use many proprietary properties and objects? Regarding communications, how friendly and open are the manufacturer's products? KMC Controls embraces the BACnet communication standards. KMC is committed to BACnet the way it was meant to be. KMC refrains from using proprietary objects or proprietary properties in the standard objects of KMC's native BACnet controllers. Designing to meet communication standards is good, but how well does it work in the real world? Participation in annual BACnet interoperability workshops, known as PlugFests, enables manufacturers to test the communication capability of their products with other BACnet equipment. This helps resolve problems that might arise in the field. KMC has been an active participant in such workshops since their inception, and KMC products have always played well with others. Robust communications. We don't like it when people talk down to us, and we generally make friends with people we enjoy within our peer group. Something similar can be said about BACnet devices. Device communication generally works best among peers. Is the network architecture of a system you are considering true peer-to-peer? Peer-to-peer devices can effectively communicate with any other device in the system that BACnet allows. No middleman is required to pass data from one device to another. If an intermediary client-server device is essential, on the other hand, what happens to the system if that device drops offline? Communication on at least part of the network will fail. Furthermore, do devices have integrated alarms, schedules, and trends? If not, then some other central device is needed to push out schedules and pull in points for alarms and trends. If this central device fails, will the system still run with the desired schedules? Will trend and alarm information be lost? KMC BACnet products have this integration and peer-to-peer communication capability. Even if an operator workstation or a central device, such as a building controller, would fail, schedules will still operate, points will still be checked for alarm conditions, and trends can still be recorded until the failed unit is fixed or replaced. BTL listed, the BACnet seal of approval. A person can't graduate from school without taking tests. Tests demonstrate that the student meets academic standards. There is a testing service for BACnet products that demonstrates they meet the necessary standards. A listing from the BACnet Testing Laboratory, or BTL, is the assurance that BACnet devices not only meet BACnet standards, but also the more rigorous test requirements of the BACnet Testing Laboratory. BTL testing demands a greater level of engineering commitment from manufacturers. KMC is committed to BTL listing for its native BACnet devices. Company reputation and support. Buying a BACnet system is more than just purchasing widgets. It's also about a relationship with the manufacturer and its dealers. Knowing basic information about the product's manufacturer is important. What is the company's reputation? Do they have a good warranty? Do they have a quality system in place? Do they provide good technical training and support? Do they even make the product? Or is the product made for them by somebody else? After installation, award-winning KMC controllers provide years of trouble-free operation even in demanding conditions. KMC's industry-leading 5-year warranty shows confidence in its products, manufactured under an ISO 9001 registered quality system. Their warranty return rate is a minuscule fraction of a percent of its total products shipped. Their products have been recognized even by other manufacturers as being among the best in the business. KMC privately labels devices for a variety of corporations, but it is what's inside that counts, whatever the outward label says. Even the very best widgets would be worthless without proper support, and KMC has outstanding customer service and technical support representatives. Over 1,000 support files are available for download from the website. The commitment to providing professional quality documentation is evident in the numerous awards for publication excellence won by the website and publications in recent years. As an International Association for Continuing Education and Training, or IACET, authorized provider, KMC offers continuing education units, or CEUs, in addition to the company's own certification for training classes. Made in the USA. Are you wanting to buy American? Buying products that have been manufactured in America not only helps the American labor force, it helps secure the economic freedom of our nation. Buying from huge multinational conglomerates may do little to help the American economy. To be sure that a particular product is designed and manufactured in the USA, however, the choices are few. KMC Controls remains the only privately held controls manufacturer in the United States with a full line of digital, electronic, and pneumatic products. KMC's manufacturing plant is located in New Paris, Indiana, just a few hours' drive east of Chicago. To summarize, here are the questions that should be on your BACnet BAS buying checklist. Flexible configuration and deployment, talking the talk, robust communications, BTL listed, company reputation and support, made in the USA. For more information about BACnet, building automation systems, and other related subjects, visit www.kmccontrols.com.